Another day, another Luna video. Today we're checking back in with the chart, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Luna chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But what an exciting chart this has been. We hit once again from our last video, brand new all-time highs. That all-time high was $106 right up here. That, in my opinion, is pretty phenomenal if you ask me. What I'm going to do is extend out right here. What you can see is basically our horizontal resistance now, which is sitting at about $100. Unfortunately, what you have seen over the past few days is our little trend line that we had going here from the 14th of December upwards. It did fail and we are below that now. The current Luna price is sitting at $85. Now, realistically, what are we going to do with it? I think we can comfortably probably remove this line. It doesn't have too much relevance now. Instead, what we're going to do is move out these horizontal points of support for us right now. You can see we're actually just below that horizontal support point, or if not, sitting exactly on it at this point in time. Should this $85 mark fail, then we will be moving back down towards the $78 mark here. Of course, the 20-day moving average is moving up close to that point now at $77. So overall, we've got a lot of key support points for us moving forward. As we zoom out, it's always good to take into consideration the grand scheme of things. Yes, we've had a few average days, but look at where we came from since July. Absolutely phenomenal. We've literally come from down here at $4 or $5 all the way to over $100 now, back to 85. This is something that was needed, and I mentioned this in my last video. We need to see a period of some sort of consolidation. What I'm expecting now is to see consolidation between the $100 mark and this $78 mark into the near future. Whether we start moving in this sort of a direction, or even in this sort of a direction, or even in this sort of a direction, I'm expecting a bit of horizontal movement until a bit more, I suppose, confidence comes back into the overall crypto market. Bringing in a few more indicators now. MACD. Let's have a look at that one. As you can see, the 12-day EMA about to cross below the 26-day EMA, as to be expected after a few big-ish sort of red days. As you can see though, the volume on them was not too high at all. That means we're not seeing a dump at all. We are actually just seeing people taking a bit of profit at the top. So all in all, yes, this is confirming we will have a bit of a either sideways or downwards period, but as long as we don't see a huge sell-off, then the price will maintain relatively stable. So all in all, looking pretty good there. Let's have a look at the RSI. As you can see, we were in the overbought range. We hit a value up here of 75.08. Now we have dropped back down to 58.69. So all in all, we are in a good position at this point in time. Am I worried about the price? No, especially with lots of people when the market's unstable, moving into coins such as UST, those stable coins, that helps to drive the price of Luna, of course, as well, the way the whole ecosystem is set up. So all in all, Luna is looking relatively good right now. I'm feeling good about it. What would my target be? Well, I don't think I'm going to actually have a target for today's video other than stay above the $78.50 mark. That is the key. If we can maintain that, that is good. Hopefully we can stay above this $86 horizontal support. We have dropped below it. Let's see if some volume starts to come in today and keep us above that point as well. That wraps up our Luna analysis for today, guys. Do you think that horizontal support point is going to hold up moving into the future, or are we going to see the Luna coin start to backpedal a bit, start to relax? It has had an insane run, so maybe it's time that it consolidates for a period. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.